Hey loves, it's that time again to make ornaments. I know it's the same ornaments as last year, but I'm gonna paint them differently this time. These are the ones that I had sold on my Etsy shop last year, and I realized very quickly that I did not want to do this over and over and over and over again. So this year, I'm just gonna teach you how I did it and call it a day. These would be great for you to like give out as gifts or even sell because they're very pretty, and I did sell a few. So yeah, anyways, enjoy it. Everything is listed below in the description box, with as many links as I can give you to everything that I used here. Other than that, if you have any questions or anything nice to say, leave it in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback, and if you make these to sell, tag me. I would love to see it and share it with others so that they can shop your shop. Yeah, anyways, enjoy it. Once everything is dried, I just give it a second coat of absolutely everything, and then I move on. And then once I do the second coat, like on the clothes, I go in with a third coat on the skin, just in case. If you want to know what I used to make these, you can check out the last video that I have on here with the gingerbread, but basically it's just plaster from Hobby Lobby. But in that other video, I went into detail like how I mix the plaster and whatnot. So also here, what I'm doing is dry brushing. So if you saw, I got white paint, and then I offloaded the paint off of the brush. So like I have minimal white paint on here, and this is what's called dry brushing, which I really love because you can really get all those details and it just makes it pop. So yeah. Let me know what part was your favorite. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm more than happy to assist you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share it with your friends, please. And yeah, I'm excited for Christmas. I love a red and green Christmas. It's my favorite. The ornaments that I made last year, like the rustic ones, I love just as much. But I'm a red and green Christmas type of girl, so I love these very much. I have them all over my tree. So yeah, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, please, please, please. Just kidding. Everything is listed below. And yeah, have a great one, guys. See you next time.